Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're moving higher today. 10-year note futures recovering from basically a 3-month closing low in the previous session to trade higher today. Currently priced at 109.30, just shy of the 110 handle and near the top end of the range for today's price action. And when we look at some of the driving factors, really a couple of things here. It does appear that the markets are processing the Fed message throughout the week. We've had several Fed speakers as well as some data points early in the week that the market was contending with. And I think that as the markets kind of view the totality of the message from the Fed, that they are indicating that they're going to probably hold for a little bit longer than what was anticipated. Yet maybe the selling pressure was a little bit overdone. And so we're seeing, at least for the end of the week here, some buying pressure counteracting some of the initial reactions to the Fed storyline, as well as some of the inflation data over the last couple of weeks. And looking at today's yields, we are seeing the 10-year yield down 8 basis points today to 425 basis points. So coming off quite a bit here today, as well as the inversion shifting around. Now we are seeing that inversion continue to steepen today. Has been a theme here the last couple of weeks, and today at minus 43 basis points between the 2-year and the 10-year. That's basically the widest inversion for 2024. So we're seeing a shifting dynamic where the short end of the curve pushing the potential for the Fed to hold a little bit longer and moving it further out on the duration curve, where we're seeing buying pressure at the back end of the curve and not so much on the short end of the curve. With the 2-year, basically the yield today unchanged. So overall, with some recovery here in the Treasury markets at the closeout today, as yields are moving lower in the 10-year, currently down 8 basis points, and the yield at 425 basis points.